So I have an update to my Smart Kettle. What I've done is I've taken the bench top and put it into basically a kitchen safe box. But basically what happens is the box, so here I'll open it. Usually it's screwed down, but what I have here is I have the chip, basically everything that was on the bench. I have the CT measuring the current, and then this unit talking to the internet. And so basically what it does is it measures once it detects current when the kettle turns on, orange light comes on, and then it waits for the current to turn off. At that point it will text me that my hot water is done. I've kept a little list breadboarded because I might want to take this apart. But basically then what is that the box plugs into the wall and then the kettle plugs into the box. That's pretty much it. And then, it's usually screwed down, it's watertight. So here I got, looks like we're boiling. Second. So you can see, looks like we've detected the current's gone off. Just wait, that's my wife. And here we go. It's a nice text message that tells me the hot water's ready. And then that's my beautiful wife. Yeah, pretty simple. The next steps are going to be to actually measure temperature in the kettle, and so then the kettle can be set to a specific temperature. Different teas, different coffees require different temperatures, and actually, there's a use to setting a water to a certain temperature. But then that'll be all integrated in here, and there'll be no more bugs.